Let's understand about vector joining 2 points. Let us take 2 points P1 x1, y1, z1 and P2 x2, y2, z2. Then the vector joining P1 and P2 is the vector P1, P2. Now, joining the points P1 and P2 with the origin and applying triangle law for the triangle OP1, P2, we have OP1 vector plus PP1 vector equals to OP2 vector. Using the properties of vector addition, the above equation becomes PP2 vector equals to OP2 vector minus OP1 vector. PP2 vector equals to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap minus x I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, which gives x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Thus, the magnitude of vector p1 p2 is given by under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. Section formula. Let P and Q be 2 points represented by position vectors OP and OQ respectively with respect to the origin O. Points P and Q may be divided by third point R in 2 ways, internally and externally. Position vector of the point R, which divides P and Q internally in the ratio m:n, is given by OR vector equals to m times B vector plus n times A vector whole divided by m plus n. Now we have 2 cases. Let us take each cases one by one. When R divides PQ internally. If R divides PQ internally, then m times RQ vector equals to n times PR vector, where m and n are position scalars. We say that R vector divides PQ vector internally in the ratio of m:n. Now, from the triangles ORQ and OPR, we have following equations. RQ vector equals to OQ vector minus OR vector, which is equals to B vector minus R vector. Similarly, PR vector equals to OR vector minus OP vector equals to R vector minus A vector. Therefore, we have m times B vector minus R vector equals to n times R vector minus A vector, which gives OR vector equals to m times B vector plus n times A vector whole divided by m plus n. This is position vector of point R, which divides P and Q internally in the ratio of m:n. Case 2. When R divides PQ externally. The position vector of R, which divides line segment PQ externally in the ratio of m:n, we have PR by QR equals to m by n and is given by OR vector equals to m times B vector minus n times A vector whole divided by m minus n. Remark: if R is the midpoint of PQ, then m equals to n, and therefore from first case the midpoint R of PQ is given by OR vector equals to A vector plus B vector whole divided by 2.